Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that instantly elevate both the appearance and functionality of a home. With their multi-panel design and outward projection, they create bright, inviting spaces while adding visual interest to the exterior. For Covington homeowners, bay windows are an excellent upgrade, but because of their size and complexity, their true benefits depend heavily on proper installation. Choosing professional bay window installation ensures these windows enhance comfort, performance, and long-term value. Here's how expert installation helps bay windows truly transform Covington properties. Structural integrity that protects your home. Bay windows extend beyond the exterior wall, making them heavier and more structurally demanding than standard windows. Without proper support, they can sag or cause stress to surrounding walls over time. Professional installers. Evaluate structural requirements, install proper load-bearing support, secure the bay window to the home's framing. This ensures the window remains stable and safe, protecting the home's structure for years. Precise measurements ensure a seamless fit. Older Covington homes often have openings that are not perfectly square due to settling or past renovations. Accurate measurements are essential for bay window installation. Professional installation ensures custom-fit sizing for each opening, proper alignment of all window panels, clean integration with existing trim and siding. A precise fit improves both performance and appearance. Enhanced energy efficiency reduces utility costs. Bay windows include multiple panels and angles that can increase the risk of air leaks if not installed correctly. Professional installers use advanced sealing techniques to maximize energy efficiency. Energy-saving benefits include tight seals around all joints, proper insulation in framing cavities, correct installation of energy-efficient glass. This helps Covington homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while lowering energy bills. Superior weather resistance for local conditions. Covington's seasonal weather includes rain, wind, and humidity that can challenge poorly installed windows. Professional bay window installation protects against these elements. Installers ensure proper flashing to direct water away, weather-resistant sealants, effective drainage systems. These measures reduce the risk of leaks, moisture damage, and long-term deterioration. Smooth operation and lasting performance. Many bay windows include operable sections, such as casement or double-hung windows. Proper installation is critical for smooth operation. Professional installers align window components precisely, reduce stress on hinges and hardware, ensure reliable opening and closing. This enhances durability and minimizes future maintenance issues. Polished exterior appearance enhances curb appeal. Bay windows are a prominent exterior feature, and professional installation ensures they look as good as they perform. Benefits include clean trim lines, balanced proportions, seamless integration with the home's design. Well-installed bay windows enhance curb appeal and make Covington properties stand out. Improved interior comfort and functionality. Inside the home, professionally installed bay windows create inviting, usable spaces that feel integrated rather than awkward. Homeowners enjoy brighter rooms with more natural light, comfortable seating or display areas, improved airflow when operable sections are included. These enhancements improve daily living. Protection of manufacturer warranties. Most bay window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Professional installation meets manufacturer guidelines, protects long-term warranties, provides peace of mind. This ensures homeowners are protected if issues arise. Long-term value and confidence. Professional installation delivers lasting benefits beyond immediate appearance. Covington homeowners gain reduced risk of future repairs, consistent performance through changing seasons, increased property value. A smart upgrade for Covington homes. Bay windows offer beauty, light, and space, but only when installed correctly. Professional bay window installation ensures structural stability, energy efficiency, weather resistance, and a polished appearance that enhances Covington properties inside and out. For homeowners seeking a lasting upgrade that improves comfort and curb appeal, investing in professional installation is the key to unlocking the full potential of bay windows.